Everyone's talking about AI taking jobs, but is it really true? By 2030, millions of jobs could disappear. But here's the twist: AI won't replace people. It will replace the people who don't know how to use it. Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than any technology before. In the past, automation took away factory jobs. Today, AI is automating customer support, writing, design, and even coding. But while some roles are disappearing, new ones are being born, roles that didn't even exist 5 years ago. The truth is simple: people who learn to use AI will become 10x more productive. Imagine finishing in 1 hour what used to take an entire day. That's why AI isn't your enemy, it's your biggest opportunity. Companies are now hiring AI experts, AI video creators, and automation specialists. The question isn't, will AI take your job? The real question is, will you learn to use AI before someone else does? By 2030, 40% of global businesses will use AI daily. Work won't disappear, it will evolve. People will collaborate with AI tools, not compete with them. The smart age has already begun, and those who understand it will lead the next revolution. If you want to stay ahead in the AI revolution, subscribe to Smartage AI. Learn the future. Lead with AI. Because the world is changing fast, and knowledge is your superpower.